Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making beef Lombardi in a Ninja Speedi. Alright, I'm starting out with my Ninja Speedi set on saute and it's hot. I have a pound of ground beef I'm going to add in here and get it browned up. Right now that my ground beef is browned, I turned off the Speedi for just now. I drained off the excess grease. I'm going to add in about 2 cloves worth of garlic. And I'm just using this pre-diced stuff. And I'm just going to give this a quick stir until the garlic flavor gets through the ground beef. And I'm going to pull this ground beef out of here and set it aside just for now. Right now that I pulled my ground beef out, I have a 1-pound package of white egg noodles. I'm going to add them into the Speedi. And I'm going to add in enough water to cover the egg noodles. That's 4 cups. I'm going to use 6 cups of water. Now I may have to drain water off my egg noodles when they're done cooking. I'm not sure. We'll have to see how the Speedi does. I'm going to add a little bit of salt in here. And I'll go in here and I'll stir these around as they cook to make sure they stay moistened up, they don't get dried out. And I'm going to close my lid down. I'm going to turn on my Speedi and I'm going to set this from the air fryer setting to the rapid cook. Alright, I'm going to go down and set this on steam. And I'm going to set this for 8 minutes. Alright, my egg noodles are done. I drained most of the water off. I left a little bit in there on purpose because that's going to help us mix the ingredients in. Now I have an 8-ounce block of cream cheese here that I broke up into bits. I'm going to get this stirred down into the noodles. And the reason I broke it into bits is because it'll melt down in there easier than if I put it in one whole block and try to break it up in there. Right now that my cream cheese is melted in there, I'm going to add in a little more salt and some pepper. About a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. I'm going to put in about a teaspoon of hot sauce. This is optional. It's going to give us a nice little kick to it. I'm going to add my ground beef back in. Give that a stir. I'm going to add in a can of diced tomatoes. This is 14.5 ounces. I drained them. Let me get my cheese. I'm going to add in some shredded cheddar cheese. Before I add that in, I have about 6 green onions I sliced up. They're going to go in. Stir that in. And guys, this dish has like a Mexican flair to it. Alright, I'm going to add in my cheddar cheese. Start out with about a cup. Stir that down in. We're going to go for about 2.5 cups of cheese. Now you can use any type of cheese you like. Pepper jack, mozzarella, which I don't know how mozzarella would work in this, but you can use it. Taco cheese. We're just using a standard cheddar cheese. Alright. Now I'm going to close my lid down. We're going to set this from rapid cook back to air fry. Now I'm going to go down to bake and roast. I'm going to turn my temperature from 325 up to 350. I'm going to set my time. We're going to do 8 minutes again. Now halfway through, I'm going to go in and I'm going to stir that so that gets nice and melted all the way through. Alright guys, this is done. I left it go for 7 minutes. Halfway through and then I stirred it around. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I garnish this with a little fresh parsley. Now if you like cilantro, that would probably go better on this, but I don't do cilantro. So let me get in here and give this a try, guys. Creamy, cheesy, the pasta's tender. Has a really good beefy, cheesy flavor. Guys, that was really easy. One pot meal. Alright, there you have it. Beef Lombardi and a Ninja Speedi. Thanks for watching and supporting me. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.